Welcome to the channel, folks. If your Toyota truck or your 4Runner won't start, it could be that you're suffering from the same thing I am, which is a blown one of these guys. This is, they call it a something fuse, I forget. So let's see. I'll show you in a minute how you get to this. Now, it isn't how you get to the other two, so you don't just pull them out. You can't just pull this guy out, as I have clearly attempted to do here and failed. I took the battery out just to be on the, not just on the safe side, but it was just a lot more convenient to work in here. And then I've removed this guy, this bracket, from the side of the truck so I can easily work on it. And then this bit is actually, you have to pull it out from the bottom. And let me see if I can show you how it goes in. Yeah, like that. Okay. Actually, it comes out pretty easily. I was able to just pull it out. Okay, and then, yeah, one screw on this side, one screw on that side. Let's see. And we're just going to be replacing it in there. Probably an 8. One side's 10 millimeters. The other side, for some god-awful reason, looks like a 8 or a 9. I actually think it's better to use a socket because I try to get that screw off and it's like super tight. And just the way you have to hold it, you could easily slip and ruin your hand. So as I said, I actually crushed it in here earlier, which is not what you're supposed to do. All right, so then this goes. You have to finagle it in. There it goes. All right, that's how that goes in there. Goes that side, and then I hate to drop this right now. Let's see if I can get it. All right, I think that's on there. 10mm one on. Okay. And then you just slide it in from the bottom. Okay. And now we just bolt everything back in. All right, that's done. Put a couple of spares in place. And I just got to put these they're called Fusable links. That's what they're called. So you see these ones, they just pull right out. And you would think that would do the same, but it does not. So, learn from my mistake. Don't do what I did. Don't start yanking on it. All right, let's try it. Perfect.